Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad ke Sangma ha ka arpnyu trik jemang ula ong ba ula Pynsangeh lut ha ka bayadei bat ki jingtmu lej bari bat Pynsangeh ru ya ka jingtmu lej bari ke jong u hadien ke jingbthah badang shen jong u Menteri Rangba du gari Narendra Modi kum kalar ban penduna ya ke jing penlut pisa haba kedau halor ke jing keno lej bari ki badang beteng wat hadien ke jing kerpat jong Menteri Rangba du kari Konrad Pynsangeh ba kini ki jingleit ki dei tang kito ki program ki baladep ban menjur haki benai baladep bat ya ki baladep ban ajing menjur kini ki jingleit ki dei ki balayo jing menjur bat yo jing bedru ha ka bay dei bat ki jinglut jingsep haswa ka jingpen bena jong Menteri Rangba du kini ki program ki dei ki balaya syakmat namar kini ki jingleit ki dei ki ba shimpor hadu kumbalai hadu saubenai bat teng-teng hadu hendriu benai ban penkre ong Konrad haba keren syakilat patai kubor ula ong ru ba kini ki dei ki baladep ban shimrai khaddu namar ki dei ki baladep ban booking ban mang halor ki jinglut jingsep bat ki jingpen kre na kebenta ki to ki balet jurip hadien balayo ya ka political clearance na ka sorkar pedeng Henry ulaban jur ba om shem la pediang shu ya kino ki jing terwa ki betmai nadu ke jing penmi jingbthah jong Menteri Rangba du kari kumta hadien ke jing penbena jong PM Modi kino ki jing terwa ki betmai ki bawan na kebenta kino ki jat jingleit bari om shem la pediang satya ulaong Konrad ulaong badala dehi ula Pynsangeh lut ya baroh ki jingleit bari daki he sorkar jela ha ka jing shisha ngaru yala de ngala Pynsangeh ya ki jingleit bari hadien ka jingbthah jong Menteri Rangba du kari na kebenta ka bha ka miat bat ka jingbet jingbiang jong kari kumta hadien balawan ke jingpen bena da Menteri Rangba du kari kino ki jing terwa ki betmai ban lech shabari ki dei ki ba om shem la priang shu light no tang ki baladep ban penben nadu khama shua ulaong Kito ki balayo jingbet nadu khama shua kumbanga ong kila banya syakmat namar ladep ban penkre lun Henry hadien kate ke jingpen bena ya kino ki jing terwa lej bari ki batmai la Pynsangeh lut baro ula benrap halor ki jingpen kre ki bayadei bat ki jingleit ki ba khama shua Konrad ula ong kini ki dei ki baladep penkre nadu kini ki lai benai nesan benai shua ba Menteri Rangba du kari penmi ya kane ke jingpen bena Ula ong ru ba kini ki dei ki baladep booking ki balayo ya ka political clearance na ke sorkar India bat ki jingdon kam ki bakongsan ki dei ki baladep ban penkre bat penbet penbiang bat ki tenat ki badai kmi hadien bala penmi ya ke jingpen bena ban Pynsangeh ya ki jingleit bari ngim syam la ajing bet shu ya no ru ong Konrad haba benrap ba ula yo pediang kumba hnyo hadu pratli ki jing terwa ki batmai ya ki bala Pynsangeh lut baro
So, number one, the trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because, as you know, programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence, some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done, the bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by centre also, and this process happened. So post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact I have personally put on hold every single trip outside. Though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared, so those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold. That has been prepared for the last 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, way before Honorable Prime Minister has thing. The bookings have been made during that time. The political clearances have been taken from Government of India. The necessary arrangements on the other side to discuss with the governments concerned from there have been taken. So those trips were already cleared before Prime Minister gave that announcement. But after he gave the announcement and he has asked states not to send delegations, we have not cleared anyone. So I have received about close to 7-8 new proposals for all of them have been put on hold.